Hello, my people. The title of our story today is The Locust Attack. The opening proverb is, "He that begins early to gather, gathers the most."
Once upon a time, when men and animals lived together and spoke the same language, the town crier used his wooden gong to announce that,
"Hear me! A locust swarm comes from the east! Gather food and stay indoors!"
everyone was advised to gather in as much food as possible and then lock down. At every household, both men and animals were busy stashing away food. Tortoise and his family did their best.
This food will not last long enough. We need a better plan. If everyone stays trapped inside after the locusts leave, we shall have all the food we need.
Underneath his house, they dug a big bunker. When the swarm of locusts arrived and other people locked down, Tortoise and his family went and smeared feces at the main door of every house, except theirs. Then they set up a big cauldron of oil and started frying locusts. By the time the locusts had eaten up all the green vegetation and moved on, Tortoise and his family had sufficient fried locusts to last a long time. When the other people and animals tried to come off their homes, the stench of the feces smeared on their doors was too awful for them to come out. Both people and animals were stuck in their homes until they finished eating everything they had gathered before the locust attack. Finally, hunger drove them outside. They came out to see that the swarm of locusts had eaten everything in sight. It was then that crafty Tortoise set up a shop in front of his house and started selling fried locusts to the desperate people and animals. In exchange, Tortoise made a pact with each household that at the next harvest, they would give Tortoise a tenth of their harvest. This was how Tortoise became very rich, because he that begins early to gather, gathers the most. Chakbi! War. The moral of this story is, always take advantage of every situation to make progress. Hope this story cooked up a little wisdom for you. Don't let anyone pull a fast one on you tonight. Have a lovely evening.